สวัสดีครับผู้ฟังทุกท่านยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่รายการของผมรู้ดีครับวันนี้เราจะได้มีโอกาสอีกแล้วนะครับเรียนอักษรไทยอีกหนึ่งตัวครับผมที่เรียกกันว่าต่อเต่า Hello and welcome to Thai letters. In this lesson, I will show you how to pronounce, how to write, and how to read and actually see the letter ต่อเต่า within Thai sentences. First of all, we will have a look at the writing of the consonant. Then we will see how pronunciation works, how it looks within examples, and at the end I will provide a couple of exercises that you can do in order to practice this very consonant. If you haven't taken the course introduction yet, then please go there and have a look at how these lessons work and then come back to this very lesson. ต่อเต่า is a middle class consonant belonging to the middle class group, as you can see taken from the green background displayed behind the card of the letter. The tones are middle tone for the consonant itself, ta, and a deep tone for the marker word. So ta, tao, and tao, as you can see from the picture, means turtle. Now let's have a look at how these consonants or this particular consonant is written. Ta tao, ta tao, ta tao. You can practice writing on your own of a separate sheet of paper, or you can print out the exercise sheets that are provided on thailanguageprogram.com and then print it out and basically solve the exercise by practicing how to write the consonant. Pronunciation. Let's practice together a little bit. Like in previous lessons, I will just speak out loud the consonant and you can say it right after me whenever the letters turn red. It is also your turn to say it. Let's try it. Ta tao. Now you. And again. Ta tao. Very good. One more time. Ta tao. Great. It's getting there. Try to always, keep in mind also the tones of the actual consonant, ta being a middle tone, and the marker word tao being a deep tone. And the last three, ta tao, ta tao, ta tao. Great. Just for practicing reasons, let's do another round. Ta tao, ta tao, ta tao. You should start now to really feel that it's a strong consonant being released at right behind your teeth, at the top of your mouth, with your tongue basically. Ta tao, ta tao. Okay, the last two. Ta tao, ta tao. Very good. Keep practicing these on your own, and also I highly recommend that while writing you always say or speak the consonant out loud. So while writing you go like ta tao, ta tao, ta tao. That way you not only memorize writing the consonant, but also memorizing the marker word. So basically, after you learn the alphabet, you already know, depending on what level you're at, 44 different words in Thai that are used with these consonants or are written with these consonants, which is a very good start. Alright, let's take a look at a couple of examples and writing styles of this da dao letter. We have different font types that are used, a couple of which are displayed here. A very simple one, close to what is displayed to the right, handwriting kind of style or type, and more artistic ones or old-fashioned ones, and yeah, just different styles that you can see here. But all of which basically follow a similar pattern of the consonant writing itself, as it is displayed to the right on the card. Now let's see within this field of text if you can detect where the dot daos are written. We have one right there within the red circle, then one below it, and let's take another example. Within this text we have da dao right here at the beginning, and the third example would be in the middle of the word where we find the da dao right there, of course now in combination with a vowel sign on top of it, which we will learn later, so don't worry about that. Another example could be here, and in this text you have right at the end of the text the da dao, which you can find, yeah, and one more example here towards the end of the text, da dao. Okay, with that in mind, let's now display a text or a fragment of text here and a couple of other text parts right here, and you should now try to find the da dao within this text. So stop the video right now and try to either make a print screen, print it out, and then circle the da daos by hand, or basically just remember or memorize where they are in the text, and then try to see by comparing to the solutions which are displayed in just a minute if you got all the da dao letters within these text fragments. If you haven't printed it out or solved the lesson now, I ask you to pause the video right here and solve the exercise, and once you're done, go on, because the lessons are the solutions are going to follow right now. Warning! The solutions are about to be displayed. Please make sure you have finished all exercises before you continue. Kindest regards from my part. Alright, let's see where the da dao letters are. We have one in the first line right there within the red circle, and another one right after it. In the second line we have one shortly before the middle of the line, and again another one right after it. In the third line we have after half of the line a da dao, and towards the end of the line another one. And then shortly after that one, a little bit more to the end of the third line, we find the sixth da dao. Actually it's the seventh. Never mind. Okay, in the first black example with a black background, we have one at the top right of the first line, and in the blue example we have one in the bottom line that you can find, and the last excerpt you can find in the first line, da dao, in the middle and towards the end, and in the second line one shortly after the middle. Alright, hopefully you found all of these, and if not, that's no problem whatsoever. You still have a lot of time and a lot of further examples to practice, be it on the internet, be it in books, and whatever you can find for material to practice on your own. Now, additional exercise material, as always, is available on www.thailanguageprogram.com. The only thing you have to do is sign up for the product, which is called Forum Access. which you can do by actually going on this web page and then click on the forum and then just sign up at the very bottom of the website within the gray box where you can insert your username or email address, whatnot, and a password, and you will be granted free forum access, which allows you to access all exercise sheets that are uploaded so far. The two exercises, as always, that we have is practicing writing by basically putting the ta wherever it belongs on between the two lines of the writing panel, and within a text fragment wherever there are green dots, basically fill out the ta where it belongs. Okay. The next lesson, which is very helpful for you, is the following middle class consonant letter, which is ba by my, and you can access it by clicking on the button provided here. With that, I would like to thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you in next lesson บอใบไม้ ขอบคุณนะครับที่ใช้รายการของผมรูดี้แล้วหวังว่าเราจะได้มีโอกาสเจอกันอีกในบทหน้าครับสวัสดีครับ